Forging is a processing method that uses forging machinery to apply pressure to metal blanks to produce plastic deformations obtained forgings with certain mechanical properties, certain shapes and sizes. Forging and stamping is one of the two major components. Forging can eliminate defects such as loose as cast during the smelting process and optimize the microstructure. At the same time, due to the preservation of complete metal flow lines, the mechanical properties of forgings are generally better than castings of the same material. For the important parts of related machinery with high load and severe working conditions, forgings are mostly used except for simpler shapes that can be rolled, profiles or welded. Ultra-high frequency induction heating. The workpiece is placed in the inductor. The inductor is generally a hollow copper tube input medium frequency or high frequency alternating current, or higher. The alternating magnetic field produces an induced current of the same frequency in the workpiece. The distribution of this induced current on the workpiece is uneven. It is strong on the surface but weak on the inside. It is closed to zero to the core. Use the skin effect. The surface of the workpiece can be heated quickly, and the surface temperature will rise to 800 to 1000 Kelvin. See within a few seconds, and the temperature of the core will rise very little. Using IGBT power devices and unique inverter technology, 100% load duration design, 24 hours operation at maximum power, high reliability guarantee. The automatic control type can adjust the heating time, heating power, holding power and cooling time. It greatly improves the quality of heating products and the repeatability of heating, and simplifies the operation technology of workers. Lightweight, small size, simple installation. Just connect to full 3-phase power supply, water inlet and outlet, and it can be completed in a few minutes. It occupies a very small area, is easy to operate, and can be learned in a few minutes, especially safe. The output voltage is lower than 36 V, avoiding the danger of high voltage electric shock. The heating efficiency is as high as 90%. The energy consumption is only 20% to 30% of the high frequency of the old-fashioned electronic tube. Almost no electricity is needed in the standby state, and it can work continuously for 24 hours. The sensor can be quickly disassembled and replaced, and the ultra-fast heating greatly reduces the oxidation deformation of the workpiece. The latest environmentally friendly products to replace oxygen, acetylene, coal and other hazardous materials heating. Production without open flame is safer and more assured. The equipment has complete automatic protection functions for overcurrent, overvoltage, overtemperature, water shortage, and is equipped with a fault self-diagnosis alarm system. The control function of constant current and constant power greatly optimizes the heating process of metal, realizes efficient and fast heating, and gives full play to the superior performance of the product. Ultra-high frequency induction heating equipment has high frequency, minimum VDE for heating and welding, small size, lightweight, energy saving, less power than glass, ceramic, electronic tube, high frequency machine. And the welding joints are firm and beautiful. And the welded parts are the shape is not limited. The surface pattern will not be damaged. The internal crystal structure of the metal is unchanged. The annealing range is small, and there is no obvious welding scar. It is widely used in metal glasses manufacturing, connector welding in the electrical and electronic industry, and no contact inside small relays welding, high pressure welding in the refrigeration industry, welding between parts in the jewelry industry, and welding in metal jewelry and process manufacturing. The earliest product is the GYHR ultra high frequency machine produced. The oscillation frequency is EDMHC.